Hi everybody and welcome back to the J Delights YouTube channel. Today we're gonna try out the instant noodle food hack from TikTok. We're gonna make 4 different versions of instant noodle and we're gonna try all of them out to see how good they actually are. One of the versions actually from my own. I will make it and I will let you guys be the judge of how good it is. Without further ado, let's head to our kitchen and let's make those instant noodle. Let's go!
Let's start with making the creamy mayo instant noodle. And these are the ingredients on the screen you need to get. Let's open the Shin Ramen packet. Inside there is a seasoning packet and dried vegetable packet. Don't forget about the Shin Ramen. And let's add it to the boiling water till it is ready. Now we're gonna make the broth. So add an egg to the bowl and whisk the egg. Now add your Kewpie mayonnaise to the egg. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Add in minced garlic, just 1 teaspoon will do. And a little bit of scallions to it as well. Not forget about the 2 seasoning packet. Add in the seasoning and dried vegetables as well. Mix it all up till you get this creamy consistency. Then add in boiling water to cook the egg. Mix it together and your noodles is ready. Add it into the broth. Coat every single strand of the noodles with the broth. Add a little bit of scallions to garnish, and there you go, that's the instant noodle. Next, let's make the spicy hot oil instant noodle. These are the ingredients you will need. First step, boil the noodles. Put it into boiling water and close the lid. In another bowl, add your seasoning. Add in the dried vegetables as well. Now, sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds to it and a little bit of black pepper for flavor. And now, add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a little bit of scallions, and drench it with hot oil to make the dish alive. And you have this paste. Noodles is ready, and put it on top of the paste and mix it all well. Coat every single strand of the noodle with that paste, and this is what you get. Celebrate it with fried egg and garnish it with scallions. There you go, it's ready. Next, we're gonna make the spicy cheesy instant noodle. For this dish, it's actually very easy. You just need 4 ingredients. First, boil your instant noodles. And in another pan, add butter and add milk to the butter as well. Mix it all up together. Then add in 2 slices of cheddar cheese and sriracha or chili sauce. Then mix it all up together till you get this consistency. Then add in your noodles and mix well. And look at this noodle. It's so cheesy, so creamy. Transfer it to a bowl and sprinkle a little bit of black pepper for taste. There you go. That's the creamy noodles. Lastly, let's make the ultimate spicy hot oil Indomie. My creation. These are the ingredients you need. Let's open up the Indomie packet. Inside there is a fried shallot packet and a seasoning packet, as well as the oil and 2 sauce. Don't forget about the noodles itself. Let's boil the noodle first. And in another bowl, add the chili sauce from the packet and the dark sauce. Add the seasoning onto the sauce. Noodles ready, and add it into the sauce and mix it all up together. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a little bit of scallions, and the fried shallots from the packet. In another pan, heat up the oil from the packet, and then drench it on top of the minced garlic, scallions, and fried shallots. This makes the flavor pops and makes Indomie great. Add an egg to celebrate, and that's what you call an Indomie.
Alright, so we have cooked all 4 different variations of instant noodles. And now, let me introduce 4 of them. So we have here, the first one, the spicy hot oil instant noodle. The second one we have here, the spicy cheesy instant noodle. And the third one we have here, the creamy mayo instant noodle. And of course, my own creation, this is the ultimate spicy Indomie. We're gonna try all of this, and I'll try 2, and I'll let Jacqueline try 2, and I'll show you my reaction as well as Jacqueline's reaction to this.
So I will be trying these 2 variations, which is the creamy mayo instant noodle as well as the spicy hot oil instant noodle. So let me start off with this. Let's look at the texture of this creamy mayo instant noodle. And we have a mix. Okay. Look at the texture of the noodle. The noodle is still springy and the sauce is well coated. Alright, so let me have a try. First bite, I have already tasted the hint of the hotness, and it's indeed very creamy. You can really instantly taste the mayo. Alright, the mayo plays a very important role in this creamy noodle. Quite a good one to start off with. So look at the texture. So this appears to be a bit more liquidy, and as you can see, it's quite soupy. Right? So this is the first variation that we will start off with. Okay, so next we will try this spicy hot oil instant noodle. So it comes with an egg. So let me have a mix with the noodle. Mix this egg together with the noodle, and I shall take the first bite. This is very different. It's much drier, and as you can see, the noodle is more oily and moist, and it looks redder than the one that you see on the side, which can tell you it is much hotter. And it goes very well with the egg, which I think egg is a really good choice to top up with. But for those who can't take spicy food, you might need to take a second consideration for this, because it's a bit more hotter than a normal variation of instant noodle. Let's see what is Jason's reaction for the other 2 variations of the instant noodle.
Okay, I'm very excited to try this instant noodle. We have here the spicy chili instant noodle. Let's try this out. First up, let me just mix it. As you can see, it's so creamy. So cheesy, covered with cheese. And I'm very excited to see actually how it tastes with this sriracha sauce. Okay, so let me just grab one. Wow, look at that cheesy ramen. It's very cheesy, and it have a little bit of spicy hint towards it. Really love the texture of the noodle. It gives this noodle cheesy and spicy flavor to it. If you are a person that like cheese ramen, this is yours, flavored. And of course, with a little bit hint of the black pepper that I put it in, also have a little bit of black pepper flavor to it. An awesome ramen at the end of the day, and it's a great ramen for me. So now, everybody has been waiting for my own creation, the Indomie. Actually, it's the ultimate spicy or hot oil Indomie, I would say. We have here, just to explain to you guys what I put in here, we have a fried egg, of course. We have the ultimate Indomie, and bottom here is the Indomie sauce. We have some fried shallots actually from the packet itself, drenched with the hot oil that I have just poured in just now, and a little bit of garlic, and of course the scallions as well for the flavor. Now just mix it up, mix everything up. It's a thumbs up for me, I would say. If you are an Indomie lover and you want to spice up your Indomie, this is what you would do to Indomie to spice it up. You add a little bit of scallion, so to say, you add a little bit of garlic, and you add fried shallots on top, drench it with hot oil. That's what you make the flavor pops at the end. And a little bit of this fried egg, it makes it even more better. A thumbs up for me, and I would challenge everybody outside to make this as well, and let me know how this Indomie tastes for you. I would say it's the best for me.
So here comes the moment of truth. Tell me, which is your best ramen?
Okay, I'm gonna put the chopstick where I think is the best ramen. Mine, which is the ultimate spicy Indomie, I would say it's a little bit biased, but it tastes very good, and I have to choose this to be my pick of the winner. For this spicy cheesy ramen, it comes very closely behind just a second. It is cheesy, it's a great ramen, it has a little bit kick at the end. By the end, my pick is my own ultimate spicy Indomie.
So, Jacqueline, wanna ask you, out of the two that you try, which would you prefer?
Definitely I will go with this, the spicy hot oil instant noodle. Much loved because it is spicy enough and the flavor is there, and of course there is a bonus fried egg. So that is all for the video today. We will challenge you to try out all these 4 hacks that we have tried, and let us know what you think about this ramen.
So if you guys have any other ideas for food hack or any other instant noodle food hack that you would like us to try, of course share it with us and let us know in the comment below, so that we can be able to make this at home and try it out and be the judge of it as well, to let us know actually how good it actually tastes. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and give a like to this video if you think this video is actually helpful to you, and you learned something new about it today as well.
Hope you enjoy. Bye!